Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, rounding a floating point number to the nearest integer can be accomplished using several methods. The most common methods for rounding are 1. Using math.round, this method rounds a floating point number to the nearest integer. If the fractional part is 0.5 or greater, it rounds up. If it's less than 0.5, it rounds down. 2. Using math.floor, this method rounds down to the nearest integer, regardless of the fractional part. 3. Using math.ceil, this method rounds up to the nearest integer, regardless of the fractional part. 4. Casting to int, this method simply truncates the decimal part, effectively rounding down. Here's a detailed tutorial with examples for each of these methods. ####1. Using math.round. The math.round method can be used to round a floating point number to the nearest integer. It returns a long if the input is a double and an int if the input is a float. Example *####2. Using math.floor. Math.floor returns the largest integer that is less than or equal to the specified number. Example *####3. Using math.ceil. Math.ceil returns the smallest integer that is greater than or equal to the specified number. Example *###4. Casting to int. When you cast a floating point number to an int, it truncates the decimal part, effectively rounding down. Example ####summary. Math.round rounds to the nearest integer. Math.floor rounds down to the nearest integer. Math.ceil rounds up to the nearest integer. Casting to int truncates the decimal part, rounds down. You can choose the method based on your specific requirements for rounding behavior.